today I am in downtown Tunica. How cute is it over here? So we're going into one of these old buildings to dig. It's supposed to be a massive sale. I am so excited. This place is stocked.
What about it?
Here's some brass pieces. I like that. This looks like a little basket with some florals. Here's a cute little teapot. Nice and crazed. Love that. Y'all look at all the stuff here. This is so exciting. OMG, is this piece for sale? This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. There's so much here. I don't even know what to look at. Copper teapot. Okay, we're gonna add that to the pile. Candlesticks. I'll take all 3 of these and sell them as a set. This little milk glass canister is beautiful. Hold up, look up. Look at all of the milk glass up here. Here is the oil lamp collection. Let's see if they have some small ones. I'm not interested in the big ones, but if they have some smaller ones, I will grab those. Looks like haul pieces right here. Oh my gosh, look at all the Crocs, y'all. Look at all the Crocs. Here's a whole basket of brushes. Okay, we gotta look through this. I'm gonna need a bunch of these, and then I saw some more up here. I love how organized everything is. I found all the rusty crusties. Lots of cast iron pots. Looks like they have some phones. Look at all the irons. I love these for myself, but I do not like buying them and shipping them. They're super heavy. There's a bunch of enamel. They have a bunch of beautiful furniture that I have not even looked at yet. Oh my gosh, y'all, hold on. Wait, we got this building here. And then we also, oh my gosh, look at this. I love these stone busts. This is David. I don't know who she is, but she's coming home with us. I don't think I've seen this enamel color before. Love that. Look at these pieces right here. They're so pretty. I have some artwork, but I haven't really seen anything I'm interested in. And of course, lots of lamps. Let's check out this room right here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Piles of silver, chairs, chippy old wood. I wish this was piles of brass. Oh wait, there is some brass in here. Oh, here's some more brass right here. Awesome. Oh my gosh, candlestick, mother load. It's getting busier, so it's gonna be harder to film, but I finally found a little oil lamp. All right, I just hit the small clock mother load. My friend Lee would be going crazy over here. What are these? Oh my gosh.
Those weights are pretty good.
They're weights? They look like pine cones.
No, weights are
Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, for the
bottom.
cuckoo clocks.
They actually go for good money, but
Yeah. All right, let's see what we got in this room. Oh, look at that cool brush over there, or broom. These Crocs caught my eye. This one's really pretty. A number 4. I have no clue on the prices, so I'll have to find out because I might want some of those for my front porch. They have some windows. This is a cool piece right here. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna be here for hours digging. There's so much stuff. What's this? I'm sure it's weird. Do I need him? Oh, they have some travel clocks too. Look at these wooden ones. I think I'm gonna pick out some cool ones. Like I already got these brass ones right here. haven't found one of these in forever. So here's an accordion peg rack, and then next to this thing. Do y'all know what this is for? Here's some old little cheese grater slicer things, but wouldn't it look so adorable with some plants in them? I think I'm gonna get them. I like the size. They're different than the newer ones like this. Oh my gosh, score. Look what I found. A bunch of little porcelain insulators. I haven't found these in forever. I'm getting all of them. I don't know what this piece is. It's in a glass box, so it must be something special. I think it might be some kind of scale, but I'm not sure. Do y'all know what this thing is? Look at this accordion player. It is giant. What are these things on top of it? I don't know what those are. So much stuff, I don't know what it is. Like, what are these things right here? There's a whole collection of them. You got a brass trumpet right here. A bunch of little Avon dolls down there. So many spittoons. I like this little box. There's just stuff everywhere. Like little wheels, brass knobs. I mean, I just don't even know where to look. There's so much stuff. I have a bunch more irons right there. Looks like picture frame molding in here. Some marble rolling pin. Old bottles. More clocks. I did not bring enough bags to this sale. Oh my gosh, y'all, that was such an amazing sale. I got all of my IKEA bags loaded in the back. I should have brought more than 3 bags because I could barely even carry them. They were packed. And you know me, I like to go shopping, I like to find the good stuff, and then I like to move it along as quickly as possible. So a lot of these items will be in my Thursday Would Not sale at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. And I already have everything pre-listed, so you can go check it out. And if you are brand new to Whatnot, make sure you use the link in my description or scan the QR code on my screen, because if you sign up through my link, you're gonna get a $15 credit to use, and you can use that on my sale, somebody else's sale, and also in the buy now section. And if you have no clue what Whatnot is, y'all have got to check it out. It is so much fun. It's an app where all day long, 24 hours a day, I am not even joking, there are live auctions going on. Anything and everything you could be interested in, there's live plants. You can go get all your landscaping on Whatnot. My daughter loves finding great Lululemon deals on Whatnot, which is an athletic brand if you don't know that. And she also finds somebody that paints nails. She's obsessed with that. So lots of good stuff. There is stuff for you on Whatnot. So y'all go check it out and come hang out with me on Thursday sale. It's going to be amazing. I got so much good stuff. So y'all leave a comment below. Let me know what's your favorite thing that I found today, and I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure.